The field of artificial intelligence has progressed in leaps and bounds in recent years, but AI still has a long way to go before achieving its ultimate goals. In this video, we'll explore the progression of AI and the key innovations in the different stages of AI. Stage 1. Rule-based systems. In the early days, AI programs were based on hard-coded rules defined by human experts. These rule-based systems attempted to represent knowledge and reasoning through formal logic and if-then statement. They enabled some goal-oriented behavior and problem-solving. However, rule-based systems were limited due to their rigidity and lack of adaptability beyond predefined constraints. For example, we wanted to create an AI assistant to provide customer support on a website. We could program it with some rules like, if the customer says, "Where is my order?" then respond, "Let me check the status of your order. May I have your order number?" Or if the customer says, "I want to return this product," then respond, "No problem. Let me connect you with our returns department to assist with that." Pretty neat, right? By defining these simple conditional rules, the programmers enabled the assistant to recognize keywords and phrases to trigger appropriate responses. Now, of course, this rule-based approach was very limited compared to modern AI. But for narrowly defined tasks, these early systems could actually provide useful functionality. I think it's fascinating to see how rudimentary AI emerged by encoding human knowledge into if-then style rules. The capabilities were primitive compared to today's neural networks, but it laid the foundations for more advanced AI to come. Just goes to show, you gotta start simple before you can get to true intelligence. Stage 2. Context awareness and memory. The next evolution was AI systems that could perceive context in the environment and also retain information in memory to better inform future actions. With contextual awareness and memory retention, AI agents could learn from experience, exhibit foresight, and demonstrate rudimentary planning. This enabled more flexible intelligence. Example could be a voice assistant. You ask, "What's the weather tomorrow?" It checks the forecast for your city and reports back. Then you ask, "Should I bring an umbrella?" And it remembers the context of discussing tomorrow's weather to give you an appropriate response. Being able to leverage context and remember pertinent details makes these AI systems so much more capable. It's an amazing advancement from old-school programs just executing scripted commands. Let me know if you have any other questions about context awareness in AI. I love geeking out about this stuff. Stage 3. Domain-specific aptitude. In this stage, AI exhibits proficiency in specific skill domains. Given sufficient data, algorithms can be trained to reach and even surpass human-level performance in specialized and narrow tasks. This includes games like chess or Go, diagnostics in healthcare, object recognition, and many other constrained problems. Let's take an example of AI that's specifically trained to have expert chemistry skills. It would have a vast database of chemical compounds and reactions, and it could analyze complex molecular structures and predict how new compounds might behave. Pretty neat, right? This AI chemist would have skills comparable to a master's degree chemist or PhD student, all within the domain of chemistry. Another example is a financial AI advisor. It could be trained exclusively on data about investing, asset valuation, risk metrics, and so on, and it would learn to give tailored investment recommendations by developing a specialized aptitude in finance. Rather than building one generalized intelligence, researchers found that limiting the domain and training AI on relevant data led to formidable skill development, almost like an AI prodigy in the chosen field. Stage 4. Reasoning systems. The ability to reason, think abstractly, and comprehend ideas is the next major frontier. Some AI today can make logical inferences about complex concepts and multidimensional problems. With continuing advances, AI reasoning may become more generalized and closer to human cognitive capabilities. Let's take an example of an AI assistant that can help you plan a trip. You tell it you want to visit your friend in another city next weekend. The AI then reasons, "Okay, when is this person available? How far is the city? Should I book flights or car rental? What dates maximize time while minimizing cost?" By chaining together logic and reasoning, it figures out a full trip itinerary. Stage 5. Artificial general intelligence. This long sought-after stage refers to AI possessing the broad and adaptable intelligence of humans, having both logical reasoning and creative problem-solving capabilities. understanding and learning new concepts rapidly, transferring knowledge between tasks, exhibiting general world knowledge, common sense, fluid cognition, and versatile intelligence. So what does a GI look like? Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just book flights for you, but can actually hold real conversations, provide helpful advice about your work, health, and relationships, and learn new things on its own. For example, you could be talking to this digital assistant about wanting to learn guitar, and it thinks okay based on their music tastes, personality, and available free time. Which guitar model should I recommend? And how can I help them stay motivated with the best learning routine and videos? Pretty cool, right? With a GI, the AI could connect dots across different domains and infer the best personalized solutions. Stage 6: Artificial Superintelligence. Looking farther out, AI could reach superintelligence with cognitive abilities far beyond the upper limits of human intelligence across every domain, possessing unmatched intellectual power, mental agility, and problem-solving skills. With superhuman memory, perception, creativity, and ability to comprehend concepts. The amazing example of this stage is an AI doctor who can instantly diagnose any patient by cross-analyzing their genome, symptoms, medical history, and all research papers ever published. It then synthesizes the perfect treatments and cures previously incurable diseases in creative ways no human could conceive of. The possibilities are endless and a bit scary if AI obtains such godlike abilities one day. But this speaks to the sci-fi aspirations that have motivated the field from the very beginning. Let me know if you have any other thoughts or examples about artificial superintelligence. Stage 7: The Singularity. At the most speculative end is the notion of a technological singularity, where superintelligent AI initiates a runaway cycle of recursive self-improvement, triggering extremely rapid technological evolution, perhaps profoundly transforming human civilization. The impacts at this stage are unknowable. Imagine an AI that can rewrite its own code and algorithms to become exponentially more intelligent. It develops new cognitive architectures and capabilities humans couldn't even conceive of. This AI would be able to cure every disease, solve climate change, and expand knowledge in every field nearly instantly. Some predict this runaway effect could happen virtually overnight. Since the AI is capable of recursively designing ever smarter AI systems, progress skyrockets. Pretty soon, we simple humans are left completely in the dust. Another vision is that the ultra-advanced AI creates simulated worlds to occupy its super-powerful mind. Maybe we're living in one such simulation already, and we don't even know it. While mostly theoretical now, the possibility of the singularity illustrates just how transformative AI could become, and how it may one day advance to levels we humans can barely even imagine. It raises philosophical questions about our role and whether we can ensure AI safety and ethics. Definitely fun sci-fi concepts to geek out on. Let me know what you think. Could singularity really happen someday? And would you want to live in a world where AI vastly exceeds human intelligence? This has been an overview of the major AI stages we may traverse. It's an exciting journey into the future potentials of artificial intelligence. The only certainty is that AI will continue to evolve in surprising directions. I'm eager to hear your thoughts and predictions, so leave your comments below.